How to connect Shopify with Printful. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can connect your Shopify store with your Printful to run a print-on-demand business. If you want to create your products on Printful and then list on Shopify, then this video is going to be for you. It's going to be completely free and a very easy tutorial for you step by step. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're gonna actually log into your Shopify store, and you'll get right here. I have opened up my Shopify store. Creating a store on Shopify is really easy. You can sign up with an email address and then you just get started. There is already a video on the channel how to get started with Shopify or how to create a store. So once you get right here, this is our main admin. We have different products. We can list different products on Shopify and sell them. We can do drop shipping, and we can even run a print on demand. So today we'll focus on how to run a print on demand. Now for print on demand, I use Printful. You can go to printful.com and you need to sign up. Signing up process is completely free. You can sign up using your email address or your Google account. Printful is a print on demand that allows you to create a lot of different products. You can design your own products such as your t-shirts. You can design bags, mugs. There are a lot of different categories that we can go for. So here we design a product and then we can sell the product and earn our commission. So Printful takes care of the printing, manufacturing, and shipping as well. And we can just create the products right here, design the products, and make money. So how to connect your Printful to your Shopify? So it's going to be really easy. You actually need to go to your printful.com dashboard. Once you get right here, you can see we have my Printful, orders, product templates, and you can scroll down and you will get stores. So this is the stores option right here. Now it allows us to connect any kind of online store to our Printful. So we can choose any platform. We can choose WooCommerce, Etsy, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, eBay, and more. So we're going to click on choose platform. After selecting choose platform, you can see again we have a lot of different options, and the first option is Shopify, e-commerce platform with everything you need to sell online. Again, you can see a lot of different options. We have Square, Amazon, Big Cartel, eBay, and then we have Gumroad, Launchcart, and more. So we are connecting our Shopify. We'll click on connect. So once you click on connect, now create your Shopify account. We already have an account on Shopify. Install the Printful app on Shopify, connect your store, and add your product. Okay, so it shows us these steps. Create your account. This one is done. Install the Printful app on Shopify. So we'll have to go to Shopify, go to the apps option here. In apps, what we will do is we'll select recommended. And now we can scroll down here and click on Shopify App Store. It will open up our apps.shopify.com for us. All right, so here we are inside our App Store, and we have to search for Printful. So you can see this is the first option here, Printful. Printful, print on demand. It's the same platform we have signed up for. So we'll click on Add App. All right, so now this is our store and this is Printful. Click on Install App and the app will be installed. Now, as you can see on Shopify as well, once the app is installed, the next step is connect your store. So we require an account on Printful, as I told you before, that you can sign up very easily using your email address or your Google account. So we have an account on our Printful. So you can see you already have an account. Continue. So I'm going to click on continue here. Perfect. Connect your store. This is my store name. And we'll connect our Printful with our Shopify. There you go. And now my Shopify has been connected to my Printful. In the store section, we have my store. You can see this is my store name on Shopify, and now it has been connected to Printful. This is how you connect your Shopify with Printful. Now the next step is going to be adding or designing the products. So we'll start designing and we'll design a product for our store. Let's say I want to design a t-shirt. So I'll click on start designing. We can design products such as in men's clothing, women's clothing, kids, hats, accessories, home and living, collections, and more. We'll go with a men's premium cotton t-shirt. So here we can design the product. We can go with an embroidery, but I'm going to go with the DTG printing. So this is our product right here. You can see this is what it looks like. This is the front, and I can go to the back, outside label, inside label, or left sleeve or right sleeve. This is where we can add our designs. So I'll go to the design section here. We can choose a file from our computer. We can add text, we can add a clipboard, or we can add a quick design. So in the quick design section, we get a different design that are already available on Printful, and we can just add them to our t-shirt. So for now, I'll just go with the quick design instead of uploading a design from my computer. You can create different t-shirt designs. These are print on demand. So what you can do is you can either get the designs from your clients, from your customers, a picture or any kind of design they have. You can download from Pinterest. You can actually create designs of your own using any of the editing app or using Canva. So here we have some of the designs available. What I will do is I'm gonna go with this design right here. So I'll add it to my t-shirt. This is a print and it will be added. All right, so you can see this is my design, and now I can actually move the design a little bit. All of the different things that we have here, for instance, we have this. I'll just place it here, and we're gonna place it like this and even make it a little bit bigger like this. So now it looks pretty good. What I can do is, as a whole, I can maybe select the design and place it a little below. So for that, I'll just select it. Okay, so this looks pretty good. We can expand the design, we can check the placement, and then we have the grid, and we can zoom in or zoom out. So this is what it looks like. This is our color. So we can change our product color. Of course, we have a huge gallery to go for different colors. So what I will do is, this is for the, design that we have added. So the color is black, but I can maybe change it to this right here, or we can go for the same color as our, moon that is at the top. Okay, so this is what it will look like, or we can go with the darker blue. Okay, this looks pretty good. Now I have selected the design. We can also check out the different layers. We can design in layers too. We have premium images available. So this is available in the premium section where you can add images on your t-shirt. So this is the premium feature on Printful. But for free, we can actually create designs like this. And this is going to be the price for this product, which is going to be $19. Now we can click on proceed to media. It also shows you all of the different designs and media that you have uploaded. And here we will get our mockups. So this is the image that we have created. And now it'll show me the mockup images. So we have this one first, a simple t-shirt. Then we have it on a model, of course, this one right here. And then we got, and this one. The t-shirt actually looks really good. The design is pretty simple, and yet it looks really nice. So now I need to select the main image for my design. We can either go with this image here or this one. So I think this one actually looks really good because we have a black t-shirt. So on the white background, it's looking pretty good. And then we can also go with this one, which is the design, and it shows everything. But I'll go with this as in my main image, and I will click on proceed to detail. In detailing, we have to select the language, and then we have the product title. Men's premium cotton t-shirt, perfect. We get our automatic description, which is really good for someone like me who doesn't like to add a lot of description, and we are getting auto description here. Then we have auto info and size guide. You can attach a size guide if you want to. We can add the text too. Proceed to pricing. Now it depends on you. If you're listing this product on Shopify as well, you can either go with this pricing, or what you can do is you can add the pricing on your Shopify store too. So we have two options, because on Shopify as well, when you will be integrating this product in the product section, you will be able to edit it out. So what I will do is, we are here in the pricing, and I'll change it, of course. And the price will be updated for all of my sizes. On Printful, you can see we have XS. From XS, we have XL. So even we have 5XL. So the sizes, the range of the prices are pretty good, and it's actually really, good that we get all of these different prices. Now you will click on submit to the store. Once you click on submit to the store, then this product will be submitted, and it is going to be for my Shopify store. So once we click on submit, it will be added in the product section right here, and we can even create a product list on Printful first, and then we can import that product list to our Shopify. So that's how it works. And this way you will be able to get a lot of different products from Printful for free. You can design fun, cool products, even accessories, t-shirts, bags, everything you need to for free using Printful and Shopify integration. This is how you will connect your Shopify store to your Printful and design your products and add them to your Shopify store. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.